Today, we will talk about how to soften water in shower. Let's have a look at the details. Your new apartment has it all. Great views, lots of light, fun neighbors, and hard shower water. Okay, having a shower that leaves your hair dry and frizzy probably wasn't on your amenity checklist. Luckily, there's a simple fix to improve your hard water. Add a shower filter. In this video, we'll tell you how to choose and install a shower filter for your apartment, plus explain how it brings life back to your skin and hair. Choosing a shower filter. Check your lease to confirm you're allowed to install a shower filter. Before you go out and buy a shower filter, check that you're not violating your lease by adding one to your shower. Simply find your lease's rules about making small repairs. If you can't find any specific rules, reach out to your landlord directly to make sure it's okay. Buy an inline filter or an all-in-one filter. Shower filters come in two main styles: inline and all-in-one. Inline filters are an attachment that you install behind your shower head. It works by filtering the water before it reaches the shower head. All-in-one filters have a filter built into the shower head itself. Select a filter with a KDF filtration system certified by the NSF. Shower filters use several different processes to filter out chemicals and minerals like chlorine. KDF filters are made with copper and zinc. These metals transform chlorine into a chloride, which is less damaging to your skin and hair. They also help kill bacteria. Installing a shower filter. Unscrew your shower head from the pipe counterclockwise. Wrap the exposed pipe threads with the plumber's tape or Teflon tape. Flush the filter with water for 5 minutes. Running water through the filter activates the filter cartridge and removes any buildup inside. Just read your filter's instructions to find out what temperature water to use, as some companies recommend using hot, cold, or lukewarm water. Screw the filter clockwise onto the pipe. Place the filter on the pipe and use your hands to rotate it to the right. Tighten the filter all the way so that it is fully snug against the pipe. Attach your shower head if you're installing an inline filter. Turn on the shower and check for leaks along the pipe and filter. To make sure your filter is tightly attached to the pipe, start your shower. Change your filter cartridge every 6 months. Generally, most inline and all-in-one filters last about 6 months. Fortunately, most companies make replaceable filter cartridges. If you're using an inline filter, it might be easier to remove your shower head and then take apart the filter. What are the benefits of using a shower head filter? Shower filters can add moisture back to your skin and hair. The biggest benefit of shower filters is that they remove chlorine from water. This mineral is typically found in hard water and is responsible for leaving your hair and skin dry after a shower. Adding a shower filter can rehydrate your rough, dry skin and frizzy, brittle hair, returning them back to their former selves. Filters that use KDF filtration typically also remove hard metals like iron and copper from water, leaving your skin and hair feeling cleaner and smoother. Some shower filters also balance the pH of your water, making it less harsh on your skin and hair. Do shower head filters help with hard water? Shower filters help reduce hard water, but don't replace water softeners. While shower filters can't treat hard water like a water softener can, they can filter out some of the chemicals like chlorine, which reduces the drying effects of hard water. Unfortunately, installing a water softener isn't feasible when you're renting an apartment. These systems are attached to a building's main water line. Of course, it's always an option to ask your landlord if they'll consider getting a softener installed. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.